Samsung is making big changes with its upcoming Galaxy S26 lineup. And this time, it's not just a small update like every year. A new report from a reliable news source in South Korea says Samsung is doing something bold. The Galaxy S26 Plus model is most likely being removed. Yes, the Galaxy S26 Plus may not be coming at all. For many years, Samsung has released its S-series phones in 3 versions, the regular one, the Plus, and the Ultra, but now, it looks like Samsung is changing that pattern. Instead of having 3 different versions like before, Samsung may only focus on 2 main models and add something new to replace the Plus. That new model is expected to be the Galaxy S26 Edge. Some of you may remember the Galaxy S25 Edge. It was a thinner phone that used the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. When it first came out, it didn't sell very well. But as time passed and prices started to drop, more people in places like the US started buying it. That made the phone more popular than Samsung expected. Because of that success, Samsung now plans to make a lot more units of the new S26 Edge. That means the Edge model isn't just an experiment anymore. It's becoming a key part of Samsung's flagship phone series. Unlike the S25 Edge, which was released later than the other models, the S26 Edge is expected to launch at the same time as the regular S26 and the S26 Ultra. That gives it a better chance to catch attention early, especially if Samsung gives it a bigger battery but keeps its thin and lightweight design. Samsung clearly hopes the new Edge model will do better than the Plus version ever did. The Plus version has always had a hard time standing out. For example, with the Galaxy S25 series, the regular S25 made up about 26% of pre-orders in South Korea, and the Plus only had 22%. That's a small gap, and it shows that not many people felt the Plus model was worth choosing over the base model. So now, Samsung seems to be removing the Plus model and replacing it with something more unique. The Edge. It's slimmer, more stylish, and could be more appealing to people who want a sleek phone instead of just a bigger one. There's still some confusion about what the basic S26 will be called. Some people think Samsung might name it the Galaxy S26 Pro instead. But so far, there's no official news about that. Most of the recent reports just call it the Galaxy S26. There haven't been any big leaks showing upgrades that would make the Pro name necessary. Still, Samsung could surprise us with a name change or even a different version later. But for now, it looks like there will be 3 phones in the lineup: the standard Galaxy S26, the new Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Ultra model is expected to continue as the most powerful one. The S25 Ultra was a big success, and the S26 Ultra could be even better. If the rumors about a new camera system are true, and if the battery size gets an upgrade too, then the S26 Ultra could be the top choice for people who want the best phone Samsung has to offer. But personally, the S26 Edge is the most interesting part of this update. It's thin, light, and not trying to be the biggest or strongest phone. It just looks good and feels smart. That could make it a great option for people who don't want a heavy or bulky phone. Samsung is clearly trying something new. By removing the Plus model and offering 3 different types of phones, the base S26, the stylish Edge, and the powerful Ultra, Samsung is giving customers more variety and making the choice easier. This could be the end of the Plus model forever, but it might also be the beginning of a simpler, smarter Galaxy S series. If the S26 Edge sells well, then Samsung might continue down this new path. We'll have to wait and see what happens when these phones officially launch in early 2026.